Alright guys, back at it. We're up here on the roof. If you've noticed in previous videos, the paint had been peeling off. So we're up here pulling all the previous paint off. We put 2 coats on this about 6 years ago, I think. Last summer up in Wyoming, wind was blowing 2,000 miles an hour. And it started peeling all the old paint off. So we're scraping and prepping today in a rest area. Clean up our stuff real well. And then we will find a car wash in town, a truck wash, whatever, so we can wash our roof off, prep it, then find a place to paint. Alright, so we're out here with K&D Roofing, RV Roofing. It's a professional company. Debbie's going to put the silicone roof sealer, and then I'm going to come behind with the leveler, smoothener. It's macaroni and cheese. You got to use 100% real cheese, macaroni and cheese carton, otherwise it won't work right. So yeah, anyways, we got a couple of small holes here, plus that large. Oh, you're using the wrong side. There you go. Now you got to turn around the other way. Now you already got it. That'll work. Just sometimes you got to watch my video first. I've been doing this for years, guys. Talking crap, that is. Anyways, we're going to do the best job we can. A little bit of patching. Then we'll do some cleaning later today. And hopefully put our first coat of paint on by nightfall. Alright. Gotta get busy before I get fired.
Here's Kenny washing the motor home.
Alright, got that washed up real good. Everything's black. It's almost like shoe polish type crap on that roof. The more you wash it, it just keeps coming off, coming off, coming off. It's made out of it. And now we just let it dry real good. Put our Elastometric on there. Debbie's cleaning some black spots from that stuff coming off the roof. Give this a couple hours now. Alright, this is the material I'm using. It's a Henry's 100% acrylic and vinyl white extreme elastometric roof coating. So anyways, there's that. If anybody wants to look it up online, read about it. I just got me a simple kit, rolling kit with a pad. It's got a plastic insert in the pan, that way I can throw that away. And I'll be ready for my second coat. Debbie's getting me a handle off the broom. I'll be ready to go. We'll be putting this first coat on right now. Alright. Not a big deal in this. We'll get a first coat on it. Not too concerned about how thick or thin, whatever. Just wanted to get it on there. Get that black covered up. Every time you walk on this stuff, your shoes get all black, everything gets black. It's like I say, it's like shoe polish or something, or working with fire ash, cleaning out ash. So let me get a coat on this real quick. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like so far. Almost got the first coat on. Debbie's going around the edges, catching all the edges. And Debbie says we need to let this bake in for the rest of the day with the sun. It's going to be a nice clear night. Shouldn't have any problem getting dirty. And tomorrow morning we'll put our second coat on. See if that's going to do it for finish coat or not. Leave a comment down below and let us know what you think of how we're doing it. We got a little more video going here. We're going to show you putting on the second coat, finish coat. Let us know what you think. Is it okay? Did we do all right? Is there something we should have done different? A different type of material, a different prepping procedure, a different application? Let us know down in the comments. Hit that like button. Alright guys, just finished up the second coat. Got all the trim real good. And we've got enough to do another coat, so we only gave this 24 hours, so I want to give 48 hours before I do another coat. Shoot, I left that up there. Can't get that now. Alright, so that concludes 2 coats. Catch you later.